Hello, in this video I'm gonna speak about Ajax links, how to implement them and can, how they can help you in your daily projects. So Ajax link is just a link with Ajax link class which triggers some HTTP method asynchronously by the XML XHR. I forgot about how I can translate this. XML HTTP request, yeah. So, as example, we just have the link which we want to trigger by XHR. So, I just wrote AX link, href represents the URL, and data callback is a function which is triggered when the response came, when success response came, and data params. Here the Laravel framework requires some method delete params for HTTP delete request. So let's try it. Before I have the confirm link class and it asks me, are you sure? Okay. Here you see XHR request was triggered. So here is another example with the logout. As you know, we should make our logout URL by post request, not by get. And here I have just redirect home in the callback. So let's trigger it. Yes, it works. Another example is the wish list. I just add some books. So if we see the code, here you can notice that it's also Ajax link with the data callback message and with such URL. So let's type it again. And here you see the message. So for the shopping cart, I have the second param is count. So URL, callback, and params. Now you see. So let's switch to the wish list. And you see all these buttons are also with have class Ajax link with its data params and href. And here is delete. It's also Ajax link. We just use remove row in the callback. So let's try it, and it works. This button is not Ajax link because it requires some more logic. So let's switch to the implementation. Here I just use the ECMAScript 6 modules. So I grab toaster and Ajax link callbacks. I just have Ajax link class, which is listen from the document. So I can add them dynamically. Remember the element and just preparing the params. Href for URL, the default request type is post, but if we have data, let's apply it. So in success, I just iterating through all my callbacks. So if I want to add another maybe function, I just use the pipe symbol. So we may have something like this. For example, delay, then show message, then remove the row and say maybe go home. It's just for example. So we just split them and iterating over them. And here we bind this context to the called function and pass the response. By default it's empty object. So let's switch to the callbacks, and I just export the empty, not empty, the object filled with the methods. So redirect home, just go home. Simple reload, remove row, parent, message, to go class. So if I want to extend them, I just add maybe some add class, response, and I may use just this class, response, maybe something like this. So it's pretty easy to extend them. Alright, I hope you understand the conception of the Ajax links and these callbacks. So if something is wrong, just log it. And here I just form my data params. So say represent just the object filled with the key and values. And finally I call the Ajax method. So I also have Ajax forms. It's just the same idea. I just grab the method attribute by default post and fetch serialized data from it. Everything seems to be simple. And I have Ajax form callbacks. For example, I have close model, and I just use such logic. For clear form, just reset. So I think everything's pretty simple here. If you have some questions, you may ask them in comments, and let me know what do you think about Ajax links, or you may have some better implementation of them, or how can I improve them. So any ideas, write to the comments, you're welcome. So thank you for watching me, good luck.